Hi Shubhamani. Hi Shukanya. Hi Jamila Hipson. Hi Arul. Hi Vijay Amarta. Hi Lakshmi. Sorry Nikki, I was late. I was held up with kids. Iniki kids ella irukangla. Could not really catch up. That's it. Hi Kavita. 1, 2, 3 days I will get ready. Hi Aishwarya. Hi Lakshmi. Super duper. Inikela செம்மையா இருக்க போது. All nice collections. Like you all asked for what mogapu chain, daily wear bangles. நிறைய assorted எடுத்து வச்சிருக்கேன். We will go with the live today. Hi Teja. Hi Amma Bangara. బాగున్నారా? యా కవిత గారు, నేను బాగున్నాను కవిత గారు. హాయ్ సుభిక్ష. Hi sister, good afternoon. Oh, thank you Jai Mataji. Thank you. How are you feeling? Super. I'm nice. Hi dear. How are you? Happy to see you. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you Renuka, Jyoti and all. Priya Kiran. Yeah. Super. Hello. How are you, Chechi? Thank you. Suja. So this is Balashamla from Akshavi Trends, exclusive fashion jewelry, one-stop shopping for all your needs. Hi Priya, hi Priya Kumar, hi Radha, hi Kalpana Kalpu, Ganga Gauri ma'am. Welcome all to Akshavi Trends family. One-stop shopping for all your needs, and we have Vishal's Boutique and Designer. If you need any tailoring help, you can contact to Amarnath. எங்களுடைய Vishal's Boutique and Designer வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 9944395259. This is Amarnath number, Kodai Nayagi. You can contact Christy. Where yarpa? Yup. Okay, Sudha Sendil. So you can call for any tailoring needs. We do machine embroidery, hand embroidery, designer blouse, all type of plain blouse, pattu pavadai, mom and me, complete. Almost we are not today. Nang advertisement pandradilla. We are into 12 years. We are all not like டீகேடாக பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் டெய்லரிங். எங்களுக்கு புதுசு கிடையாது. இதெல்லாமே எங்கள் ஷாப்பில் ஸ்டிச் பண்ண சல்வாஸ் தான் நான் போட்டிருக்கேன் இப்போது. ஸோ வி டூ பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஸ்டிச்சிங் ஃபார் யூ. வேர் எவர் யூ ஆர், யூ கேன் கான்டாக்ட் அஸ் த்ரூ கொரியர். யூ கேன் நோ ஹேர்பின் டுடே லெட்டஸ்ட் ஷாப். யா கண்டிப்பாக. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் பிரியா. வித்யா ராஜேஷ் மேம், ஹவ் ஆர் யூ? So you can contact us for any tailoring assessment. Even if you want Tanju painting, block printing and all, you can do. I'll plan one day before and let you know. I'll do one good live in Vishal's Boutique and Designer. Okay, இன்னைக்கு கீர்த்தி மேம் போட்டிருந்த ஹாய் கற்பகம் மேம். நாங்களும் அக்ஷவி ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸ். அஃப்கோர்ஸ் யூ ஆர் மேம். யாரெல்லாம் டெய்லி லைஃப் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறீங்க அவங்க எல்லாருமே அக்ஷவி ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வியூவர்ஸ் தான். தேங்க்யூ. ஸோ டோன்ட் வரி. அண்ட் டுடே கீர்த்தி மேம் போட்டிருந்த ப்ளவுஸும் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா விஷால்ஸ் பொட்டிக் அண்ட் டிசைனர், விஷால்ஸ் கலெக்ஷன் அண்ட் டெய்லரிங்கோட ப்ளவுஸ் தான். நைஸ் காட்டனில் போட் நெக் வச்சு போட்டிருப்பாங்க. நமிதா தாஸ், சோனியா கன்சி. அண்ட் இஃப் யூ ஆர் என்கொயரிங் அபவுட் த ப்ராடக்ட், நீங்கள் வந்து புது கஸ்டமராக இருந்தால் ஐ ரெக்வெஸ்ட் யூ ப்ளீஸ் புட் யோர் நேம் அண்ட் பிளேஸ். வேர் ஆர் யூ ஃப்ரம், உங்கள் ஃபுல் நேம் போடுங்க. நல்லா இருக்கா ட்ரெஸ்? This is a blue color due to corona situation. Please stop the marketing. People, எல்லாரும் அப்படியா? Okay, done. Vidya, Hi Vidya Sudha. So this is a Raleigh print actually. Elbow sleeves ஃபுல்லாகவே இந்த மாதிரி print இருக்கும். This is from Vishal's. But எப்போ வாங்குனீங்கலாம் கேட்றாதீங்க. One of my very old dress. How are you Muthu? Yeah, fine, super. Today வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா share my video. I am from Sri Lanka. Yeah, நேத்தே சொன்னீங்கல்ல மேம் பானு கதிர் மேம் வெல்கம். So we will see today nice collection of Mogapu chains, 24 inches, everything. You can buy it. Customer care number 73395 88688. Hi ma'am, Jai Shri ma'am. Welcome to Akshvi Trends. Don't forget to share the video. So many are sharing. I want, see almost we are now 155. At least 100 can share the video and support Akshvi Trends family. You are not going to support only me. There are a lot of manufacturers. There are a lot of staff involved. இவங்க எல்லாருக்கும் நம்ம சப்போர்ட் பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும் இல்லையா? So like that we are doing this live. ஏன்னா இன்னைக்கு எங்க salary நாங்க வந்து எங்க ஸ்டாஃப்ஸ்க்கு கொடுத்தே ஆகணும். இப்போ how IT people are working at home, they are paid full salary or half salary, anything. Everyone has got their own job working at home. ஓகேங்களா? கோவிட் கோசரம் நம்ம பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டாப் பண்ண முடியாது. பிகாஸ் கோவிட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு கண்டினியூ ஃபார் another 2 years 3 years, எப்படி வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். என்னோட ட்ரெஸ் இதுதான்டா. இட்ஸ் லைக் கோட்டா துப்பட்டா. திஸ் இஸ் த கோட்டா துப்பட்டா பா கவிதா. கோட்டா துப்பட்டா, நைஸ் பிளெயின் பிரிண்டட் சல்வார், பிரிண்டட் சல்வார். Yes, Vaigasi Visagam, Velundu Vinay Illai. Today I received the set. Thank you, pretty elegant. Thank you, Sonia. Can you share some models of blouse? Suja ma'am, I will do one super duper live. I will let you know when I am doing the live in Vishal's Boutique and Designer. Maybe 2 days I will show you all nice designer blouse. I will inform you before. So share the video for 1 week and get a designer blouse as a gift. யாருக்காவது gift வரலனா let me know because I was in a long leave. கடையில staffs miss பண்ணிருக்கலாம். I will send you again. Okay, sorry if so. Okay, we'll go for the Mogapu chain. This is all beautiful nice thick Mogapu chain with American diamond stones, floral design. This is for 600. இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு 600 rupees. ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். நைஸ் ஸ்டிக் கொடி. பட் இது தாலியா யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. Girija ma'am, I don't know which product. You can pay Girija ma'am. You can pay it, no problem. I don't know which 1300, that 3 layer நினைக்கிறேன். லைக் pearls இருந்தா பே பண்ணுங்க இருக்கு. Okay, done. Vinita ma'am, everyone's parcel is dispatched. I just tell you, please give us some time. I request everyone because courier office லந்து நம்மளுக்கு POD வரதுக்கு it takes some time. I will give you. Okay? Hi Shilpa. Daily jewelry தாங்க காட்டுறேன். This is 600 rupees. இதில் என்ன ஸ்பெஷல் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இங்க வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you will get nice thick chain. Nice thick chain. அதனால தான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப போல்டா இருக்கும். This is a daily wear. If you use daily wear, night if you remove and keep, you can use it for 1 or 6 months. 1 year to 6 months this product. Very pretty. No god in this. Floral design, 600 rupees plus shipping. 600 plus shipping. Very pretty. See. You will get nice green emerald stone, white AD stone, one flower, one pretty piece. Ma'am, 1 week கழிச்சு கேளுங்க, கண்டிப்பா கொடுக்கிறேன். No, without earrings. Mogapu chain will not get with the earrings. This is without earrings. Nice thick chain. 600 rupees. Yeah, thank you Priya. Hi Mahi. 600 rupees. You can book it immediately. 73395 88688. Ma'am, okay ma'am, I will check it ma'am. Have you shared for 1 week? Ganga Gauri ma'am, நீங்க ஒரு 1 weekக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணி எனக்கு ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் வைங்க, gift அனுப்புறேன். ஓகே, டன். Girija ma'am, you can pay to the customer care. நீங்க பே பண்ணி ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் வச்சிருங்க. This is with peacock, beautiful peacock. ரொம்ப அழகா they have designed the peacock with ruby stones, like nice stones, okay, with white AD stones. This is also for 600 ma. இந்த మొగపు చైను 600 అండి. చాలా బాగుంటుంది. పీకాక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Yes ma'am, 600 plus shipping. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana, we are charging 100 rupees. Maharashtra, Jaipur, Rajasthan and all, we are charging 200. No COD is available. This is beautiful peacock with American diamond stones. 1 2 3 4 5 6, very pretty mogapu chain. You can use it daily wear. See, chumma I just wear and show you. Romba alaga irukum. 1 minute. In the madri, whichever side you want, you can wear it. See, this is all 24 inches. 24 inches mogapu chain. You can use it for sarees. See, very pretty peacock. Malvin, good afternoon. Banu ma'am, good afternoon. Thank you ma'am. Thank you Ganga Gauri ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is 600 rupees peacock. I've got peacock like full white. Peacock, if you don't want any colors, peacock, beautiful peacock, full AD stones. Hi Sujata. இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா full white stones, full American diamond stones, nice zircon. Sivagami ma'am, இது எல்லாமே 600 rupees. Same design. This is with red and this is with white. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். 600. You can get it for 600. How much should I pay? Yes ma'am, right Girija ma'am, please don't post anything here. Contact to the customer care, I request you, please. In Saudi it is morning. Okay ma'am, thank you Tangamani ma'am. This is very pretty. You will get it for 600. Nice peacock. In the chain வந்து ரொம்ப bold chain, the very pretty chain. Babita Suresh, Vanakkam, Anushya Pandi, Mangal Sutra available. I will give you. Thank you Purnima. Thank you Lakshmi Alagappan. Thank you Sunita Kishore. Thank you so much. Next one is a ball design. Very trendy design, always loved by everyone. You will get 3 balls. In the chain you will get nice thick chain. You will get 3 balls with beautiful. Ma'am, I just for salwar na இப்படி wear பண்ணிருக்கேன் Kavita ma'am. You can change and wear this mogapu, no issues. This is multicolor stones, American diamond stones. Hi Rabina ma'am, no god in this. 620. Achu, good afternoon. 620. This is 620. చాలా బాగుంటుంది. మీరు డైలీ యూజ్ వేసుకోవచ్చు. This you can use it as tali kodi also. You can attach your kodi here. No guarantee ma'am, sorry, no guarantee. Vanakkam Sagodari. Okay, done. Color change aguma ma'am, we don't give any guarantee, but we give only premium products. You can just use it without putting in the water. இது வந்து நீங்க if you are using daily use, only peacock or with the chain. Thank you Janet ma'am, no problem. Yes, we have missed my father. Only pick with chain ma'am, with chain. Hi Shobha. See, this is with balls, no god in this. You can book it. You can use it as a thali also. Thali, you can add your manja kairi in this and use it as a daily wear, because today gold rates are going up and we don't have any safety for us. For traveling in the bus and all, you can use this chain as the second chain also. 620 620 andi. 620 చాలా బాగుంటుంది. మీరు వచ్చి డైలీ యూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. వాటర్లో వేయద్దండి. Night, once you come from office, you can remove and keep, so it will stay for a long time. Very nice one. These are the micro gold polish. Micro gold polish. This is long one, 30 inches. This is 30 inches. This is 30 inches, ma. 30 inches. 30 inches. 6 months, ma'am. 6 months. Another design again, peacock. Peacock 600. This is like floral design, complete white stones. Floral design, complete white stone, 600. Very pretty, 600. Thank you for your hearts and love. Share my page, don't miss to share my page. Peacock. Peacock. This you can, no peacock, it is only flower. Sorry, this is a floral design with zircon stones and AD stones. Zircon stones and AD stones. 600 rupees. You will get it for 600. Very pretty. See. So you can buy 2-3. You can keep it for the daily use, office use. It will stay for a 6 months guarantee. Romba nalla irukum. Don't put it in a water. Hot water la podave kudadu. So if you keep it like that, 6 months guarantee nalla varum. This is a floral design, complete white stones for 600. 600. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. 100%, ma'am. I don't want people to be idle on this pandemic. We don't know how many days, how long the gold polish will be there, ma'am. Ma'am, 6 months, ma'am. 4 to 6 months. Ma'am, in this pandemic is not going to end now. Again, the third wave is going to come. We want to survey in this COVID, so we cannot stop the business at all. Because there are a lot of functions, so many people in other states are being not locked down. They have 50 பேர் இருந்தாலும் கல்யாணம் பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும் இல்லையா? So everyone want jewelry. So we are doing, that's all. See, this is 600 beautiful gold peacock. Gold peacock with AD stones. AD stones and you will get beautiful ruby emeralds. See the peacock, how pretty it is. Pretty piece. In the peacock avlo alaga irukku. These are the comes in a gold one ma. Idu appadiye ungalku gold la varum. This is for 600. No COD. Sorry, we don't have any COD options and no return policy is there. Only if you send open video, we will check it and we will give you some alternative. That is not problem. ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு transit damages இருந்தா it is truly accepted. See, very pretty peacock. You will get it very classy one. Wait, I'll come front. இங்க பாருங்க. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். Gold polish. You will get it for 600 only. This you can book it. You can use on function times. It will be very nice and elegant இருக்கும். நீங்க ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் போகும்போது இது யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அவ்வளோ பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். Kerala available, ma'am. All states available after 1 week dispatch. But you can book it now. This is in the full ruby. This is full ruby, ma. Full ruby. This is full ruby. You can see. Full ruby. Full ruby with peacock. Again gold polish. These are the gold polish. No cash on delivery, ma'am. No COD option is available. Only after you paying, we will dispatch the product. This is full ruby and multi we have got in this. Okay, yeah, coming up with beautiful peacock. See, this is multicolor. 600 ma'am. Ammu Princey 600. This is multicolor peacock, very pretty. See, $600 Sridhanya ma'am. 600 peacock, 24 inches. Tali chain or mogapu chain, I can tell. This you cannot use as a tali chain. You can use it as a second chain with your thread. Romba alaga irukum. 600 rupees. For all your bookings, 7339588688. 7339588688. See what all the Kodi designs I am showing now, no? That is all micro gold polish. You can use it daily wear kindly, but don't put it in a hot water. சுடு தண்ணியில போடாதீங்க, யூஸ் பண்ணாதீங்க. If you use like that, it will stay for 4 to 6 months for your daily wear. You know, we are sending to so many people. They say the quality is very pretty, all your Tali Kodi. So you can use like that. Okay. This is white stone peacock. See, peacock, beautiful peacock. 600. இது எல்லாமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 600. Beautiful peacock, American diamond stones. That is nice premium quality American diamond stones. Gold polish. 600. 600. Next design, it is a floral design. 600. This is a floral design. I will show you in back camera. Wait. See, floral design. 600. 2 leaves, full white stone. இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா hard to choose. Thank you Priya. இது வந்து it looks like in solitaire diamonds. Diamond look கொடுக்கும். 600. Leaf 600. 600 rupees. Very pretty. You can choose it. 600 rupees. Nice leaf design. See the Kodi how it is glittering. அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கு. Daily wear க்கு சூப்பரா இருக்கும். Even you can gift your friends, family and all for their birthday and all. இது நீங்க gift பண்ணலாம். And we have one good option. If you want to gift your loved ones, you are in abroad or India or anywhere in this world, just give the address and your address will be sent down with beautiful message what you want to give. Let it be their anniversary, let it be their birthday, anything. If you want to gift your loved ones, just book your jewels with Akshavi Trends. We will send them a beautiful packing with good messages. So you can gift your loved ones from wherever in the world. Okay? வரீங்களா அக்ஷவி? வாங்க. இன்னைக்கு வந்து my daughter who இவங்க தாங்க அக்ஷவி. அக்ஷவி say hi. சேடா எதுக்கு உம்முன்னு இருக்கீங்க? அக்ஷவி பாப்பாக்கு ஒரு ஹாய் சொல்லுங்க எல்லாரும். அவங்க வந்து ஷீஸ் லிட்டில் ஆங்கர். எங்கள் அம்மா ஹேர்பின் போட்டிருப்பாங்க, அதனால கொஞ்சம் கோவமாக இருப்பாங்க. குளிப்பாட்டினாலும் கோவமாக இருப்பாங்க. ஆமாம் தானே? ஹாய், சே ஹாய் டு ஆல். ஸ்மைலிங் பியூட்டி. ஷீ இஸ் அக்ஷவி ஆக்சுவலி. அக்ஷவி அங்கே பாரு எத்தனை பேர் மெசேஜ் போடுறாங்க. ஹாய் ஹாய் அக்ஷவி குட்டி. சுவிதா தேங்க்யூ. திவ்யா சுபாத் சுபிதா ஜெயா அண்ணாதுரை மேம் தாலிக்கொடி மாடல் ஷோவா? அதுதானே மேம் காட்டிகிட்ருக்கேன். உட்காருங்க அக்ஷவி, அப்படியே உட்காந்துக்கோங்க மம்மி கூட. ஓ மை காட், ஐ எம் கன்ஃபியூஸ்ட் ஆல் த சூப்பர் ஒன். காட் பிளெஸ் யூ டியர். தேங்க்யூ. பார்க்க தான் அமைதியாக இருக்காங்க. ஷீ இஸ் நாட்டி. சோஃபா மேலே ஏறுறது எல்லாமே பண்ணுவாங்க. ஆமாம் தானே? எஸ் எஸ். தேங்க்யூ தேங்க்யூ ரம்யா. ஹாய் மோலு, ஹாய் அக்ஷவி, ஹாய் மகாலட்சுமி. மஹோப் இருக்கா? மகாலட்சுமி மஹோப் இல்லைங்க, சாமி போட்டதே இல்லை. பிகாஸ் so many don't want God, so I don't have. And can you show antique traditional necklace tomorrow? Super duper necklace tomorrow. See, this is பேச மாட்டாங்க, அவங்க டாலி மாதிரியே உட்காந்துருப்பாங்க. This is the floral design, beautiful. You have lovely daughter. Yes, she is my lovely daughter. She will take care of my mom, you know, when my moms cry, you know, she will say, Avva, don't worry, I am there to take care of you. Abdin solva. Yes, no? Yes. She will say, Avva, I will take care of you. Abdin. See, this is very pretty. Very, very pretty. You will get floral design with American diamonds. With American diamonds, you will get pink and green stones. This is for you, da Chellakutti. Thank you. Thank you for your love. Thank you. நல்லா உட்காருங்க பாப்பு. ஓகே, டன்னா? ஓகேவா? ஓகேவா? கீழே போடுங்களா? வெளியில் போடுங்களா? ஓகே, போங்க. பை. This is the beautiful floral design. Papu, கதவு சாத்துங்க பாப்பு. This is a floral design. This is a floral design. Rakshit, take her out. Floral design. This is AD stone, American diamond stone, floral design. No God in this. 600. You will get it for 600. Very pretty. See. Most demanded design. This will come in the gold model. This is 550. You can use it as a kodi, like thali kodi mariya use பண்ணிக்கலாம். காமெல்லாம் இல்லைங்க அக்ஷவி, இது நீங்கள் போட்டால் ஃப்ளெக்சிபிளாக ஆகிடும். யூ வில் கெட் நைஸ் டிசைன் இயர். அந்த ஒரு டியூப் டிசைன் மாதிரி இருக்கும் ஏடி ஸ்டோனில். திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் 550 ப்ளஸ் ஷிப்பிங். 550 ப்ளஸ் ஷிப்பிங். சி, ஐ வில் ஷோ யூ இன் த பேக் கேமரா. சி, ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கும். யூ கேன் சி peacock with American diamond stones, ruby and emeralds. Thank you, Krishna Kumari. This is 550 only. 550. Next one, floral design. Floral la white flowers, 600. So take a screenshot, come to the WhatsApp number 73395888688. 73395888688. This is beautiful. See, நல்ல பெரிய பீகாக். பெரிய பீகாக் செம்மையா இருக்கு பாருங்க. 24 inches. 24 inches. This is, I'll show you in back camera. 1 minute. See, 24 inches, very pretty. You will get beautiful peacock with nice American diamond stones. See, gold தோத்துடும், அவ்வளோ அழகாக இருக்கும். All 24 inches ma. 24 inches. 24 inches. It will be very nice for office use and all. Something neat and different. See, இன்னைக்கு நிறைய பேர் like not married, they also use this chain for safety purpose, because they travel in bus separately, trains separately, to just safeguard them. Today everyone started to use this kodi chains because they can save themselves when this is in their neck. So they are started to use, who is going to office, they have started to use such kind of chains today. This is 600 ma. Bangle collections காட்டுறேன், ஒரு 2-3 டிசைன்ஸ் காட்டுறேன். This is 650. This is 650. Nice chain. You can see 2 flower design. 650. $650. $650. This is 30 inches, no warranty, no guarantee. This is 30 inches. $30 inches peacock. 30 inches peacock, no warranty ma'am. 700. 30 inches peacock, 700. I will show you in the back camera. Wait. இது வந்து 30 inches peacock. Very beautiful. நல்ல லென்த்தா இருக்கும். See, you will get nice length. See, you will get it nice length. இது வரைக்கும் வரும். நல்ல லென்த்தியா வரும். நான் டாலா இருப்பேன், புவனேஸ்வரி மேம் வெல்கம், ஹைட்டா இருப்பேன் அப்படின்றவங்க, ப்ளம்பியா இருப்பேன்றவங்க இது யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். 30 inches, 700 rupees. So I showed you many designs today. What all you want, you can book it in the customer care. 7339588688. Okay, I will show you some bangles, daily wear bangles. Ma'am, I will shortly show that, ma'am. This is diamond look bangles. 590 pair. 590 pair diamond look bangles, gold polish. 590. I will show you in back camera. See, 590 rupees diamond look bangles. You will get 1 2 3 4 layers, so you can use it as a broad bangles. I have got all the sizes, 2 4 2 6 2 8. 590 ma. 590. It looks like diamonds. 590 only. 590. Very pretty and beautiful piece. 590. You can book it 7339588688. So don't miss to share my video for a week. If you're newcomer, share my video on your Facebook and get a gift of blouse, designer blouse. Next design, very traditional design. 4 bangles 500. 4 bangles 500. This is 4 bangles 500. This is a traditional design. You will get it 4 bangles 500 rupees. And kindly I request you, if you are new, when your inquiry about the products, no, kindly send with your name. Okay, kindly send with your name, so it will be very easy for us to send you the reply. இப்போ வந்து நீங்க பேரே அனுப்பலனா என்னால சேவே பண்ண முடிய மாட்டேங்குது. Without saving, I don't know who is asking the products. So kindly send your name. 500 rupees ma. 4 bangles 500, daily wear bangles. These are the micro gold polish. This is also traditional design. Very nice. அந்த காலத்து வளையல் சொல்வாங்களா 500. No ma'am, today I did not have mask. வந்து again the stock is coming, I'll send you. Super stock is coming, I'll send you. 500 rupees. 500 zigzag bangle னு சொல்வாங்க. அந்த காலத்துல எல்லாம் போடுவாங்க. I love actually, this is very pretty. இங்க பாருங்க. 500 rupees. You can use it daily wear. இது மிடில்ல வந்து ரெண்டு glass bangle போட்டிங்கன்னா அவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்கும். 500 rupees 4 bangles. This is 4 bangles, micro gold polish, 500. You can book it, okay? 500, 2/6 size, 2/4 size, 2/8 size available. Okay va? Next is Muttu bangle. 400. 4 bangles 400. 4 bangles. இது வந்து like முத்து பேங்கிள்ஸ்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் டிசைன் அந்த காலத்துல இருந்தே. This is for 400 and 4 bangles. Micro gold polish. Micro gold polish 400. So for all your bookings you can call to the customer care 73395 88688. We have GPay, Phone Pay, everything. 400, 4 bangles. Thank you. No ma'am, as of now we don't have glass bangle. It is tough to maintain. We don't have glass bangles. In this only 2/6 is available. 2/6. This is a real gemstones with American diamond stones. 2 bangles 990. I will show you in back camera few bangles. You can book it. This is for 990. You will get square type, cubic cut, Kemp oval stones. Nasunnan ma'am, bagunnan ma'am. This looks like a gold. 990. Only 2/6 available. 2/6 size available. Whoever wants, take a screenshot. Come to the WhatsApp number. Next is also 2/6 designer bangle. 1550. This is a designer bangle. This is a matte gold Italian jewelry bangle. 2/6 is available with real gemstone, 2-tone polish. இது வந்து Italian jewelry bangle. 2/6 1550. You just see this design, no? You can see sides all you will get gemstones, AD stones. This is like this. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். Only 1550. These are the designer bangles. Thank you for your stars. Today almost we have touched 180 highest stars. Thank you. See, this is very pretty gemstones. 1550. Only 2/6 is available. See, idella functions beautiful bangles. It doesn't look like an artificial. இது வந்து நம்ம கோல்டுல செய்யணும்னா almost it will come. Aisham, your back. Yes ma'am. 5 sovereigns வரும். ஒரு bangle 2.5 sovereigns வரும். அப்பதான் இதெல்லாம் செய்ய முடியும். This is 1550 pair. See, in the center they have given nice black oxidized polish with balls and gemstones. Classy design with checks. No god and all. Pretty piece. 2/6 is available. 1550. You can take your bookings. And again coming with the Kemp bangles. This is also 2/6. 850. Kemp bangles, Tilagam shape, 850. Very pretty. Inga parunga. Oh, 225 stars. Thank you. See, thank you. This is Kemp bangles. Nice Tilagam shape. If you have any Kemp jewelry, don't miss to book this bangles. Only 850. 850, 2/6 available. I will post all the pics in a hour in Facebook. You can just see and book it. No COD is there as of now. There is no courier is accepting the COD. You can pay in GPay, Phone Pay or account transfer, anything. Worldwide shipping is available. Tamil Nadu we ship in professional courier, DTTC courier in other. I Akshita Chawla, it's been long time. I Monica Ravi. Akshivi Trends collections always vary level. Each and every day specials collection. Thank you Suvita Manogaran. This is the motivation. We always upgrade ourselves. Thank you so much. இது வந்து don't miss it ya. நீங்க கெம்ப் செட் வச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா you can book it. Only 850. 2-6 size. I will post all the 2-6 collections in the Facebook. You can book it immediately. Thank you, Sweta. Thank you so much. Kindly keep the screenshot, Sweta. Okay, done. So we are coming with the end of the program. I want to show you one beautiful product restock. இன்னும் நான் டேகே போடல, ஏன்னா நிறைய பேர் கேட்டுட்டே இருந்தாங்க, மேம் ப்ளீஸ் இந்த லக்ஷ்மி செட் எனக்கு வேணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. See, where is Prashanti? She will come soon. Lakshmi set, very pretty. 1100 ma, 1100 with the earrings. This is the earrings, 1100. If you want, you can book it. I have got 3 pieces, 1100 each. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். Nice earrings with the pearls drop. You will get it 1100. This will be like this. Nice mini neck set. While traveling and all, you can use it. This beautiful piece, 1100. Nice. In the lotus all, you have got American diamond stones. Sides, you will get nice peacock and creeper design. Peacock and creeper design with American diamond stones. Floral design. I will show you in the back camera. Wait. See. Don't miss this set. You can see the lotus with full of American diamond stones. Peacocks on the sides with creeper design. Only 2100 ma. 1100. This is a matte gold polish. So for all your bookings, contact customer care number. Whoever sent stars today, I am so happy. Almost we have touched 225 stars. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. This is 1100. I'm sorry, 1100. I will just wear and show you. Wait. See, 1100. You will get beautiful earrings. See, very pretty earrings. Earrings மட்டும் அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கும். 1100. See the neck set. It looks like a very pretty neck set. See, கழுத்தை ஒட்டி போடும்போது thread போட்டிங்கன்னா ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். I always say use thread. You can adjust your jewelry according to the neck. This is 1100. You can book it. I've got 1, 2, some 3 pieces in this. You can book it. Okay, thank you for all your sharings. ரொம்ப thanks. You are sharing, so many are sharing and sending me the screenshot. And please, if you have a new customer, oh my god, Akila Ranjit, thank you for your 45 stars. Thank you so much guys for your stars. A night function ku super ah irukum. Ama Ganga Gauri ma'am, thank you for your love, thank you for your sharing, thank you for shopping with Akshavi Trends. Keep shopping with Akshavi Trends. Customer care number is 7339588688. After a week only, it is all the products will be dispatched. As of now, the courier is not there, but we are getting the bookings very good. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, bye bye. See you all in tomorrow live with beautiful products. Super.